Brian shipped up his motor, so I'm just going ahead and I'm unpacking it right now. Did a really nice job unpacking it. Everything is individually boxed and nicely wrapped so it doesn't get damaged. And it looks like he sent us all kinds of stuff, including gaskets. So that's nice. Take some care in unwrapping these. And we've got an empty rack here. Looks like a gasket kit. These are heavy. They're probably cylinder heads. I'm just going to put these in with the other stuff. The other thing that's nice about taking a video of the unboxing is that I can keep a record of how everything was boxed up, so when it comes time to repack it, I can get it all back the way he had it, which is really nice actually. These feel like cylinders. I'm looking for my box knife. I just put it down somewhere. I guess these are cylinders. Oh, there's lots of little things in here. What do we have? Look at this nice boxing job. Everything's individually packed. There's my box knife. Oh, these are slingers. Got the slingers all individually packaged. Wowzers. Well, let's go ahead and put this back. Lots of little parts in here. Oil pump gears. So this has all been taken apart. I think Brian, I remember him telling me that the motor was already disassembled and he wanted us to go ahead and evaluate it and put it all back together again. It's a job that we do quite often actually, where we get projects that come in that have already been taken apart, maybe even decades ago, taken apart by a family member or a barn find that was purchased, all disassembled, and then we get hired to evaluate it and put all the parts back together again. This is unmistakably a camshaft and a cam gear, clutch, and so on. All right, let's see. Oh, it's heavy. Probably a crankshaft in there. Oh boy. All right, so that's one box. And he sent 2 large boxes. So I've got one more box to go here. All right, I put down this other box. Through the magic of video, I paused the video. Very, very nice packaging job. Engine case. Everything. I use the envelope. Oh yeah, I put them inside. You gotta take all the edges. I suppose We probably won't be reusing these boxes anyway, because if we reassemble the engine, it's going to go back as a completed engine. But still, this is an extremely good packaging job of all these individual engine parts. The last thing we like to see is parts arrive to us damaged from shipment. It's very sad. So, taking the extra time and cost to package everything carefully is extremely admirable. Go ahead. Lay out some parts here. Let's take an inventory. And we'll be doing a complete restoration on this motor, so everything's going to get evaluated, disassembled. Ooh, some heavy damage on the cylinder head. Looks like it lunched a valve and took out a good portion of the squeeze, so this will have to get repaired. It's not terrible, but looks like it's missing a seat. Probably dropped a seat, and that's what caused this. This side's looking much better. The new clutch disc looks quite nice. Ah, yes, I remember speaking with about these brand new cylinder heads that he had purchased for the bike, so he wanted us to go ahead and try to repair the old cylinder heads, which he would like to be able to keep in terms of keeping his bike all original. But the bottom line is that we do have these brand new cylinder heads, which are absolutely gorgeous. And they're probably from one of the German reissue companies. I don't see a label on these, but maybe Stephanie Myers is making these. It's a beautiful piece. Very nice casting. All new hardware. And I've seen these before. They're quite a nice product. Certainly not inexpensive, but looks very, very nicely made. A lot of smaller individual parts in here. Looks like a clutch disc. Timing plate, crankshaft, don't know what that is. Oil gear, flywheel, rods, cam screws, oil pan, maybe some followers, possibly, nope, cam gear, crank gear I mean, more screws, nothing in there. Got a phone call coming in. Take a little break. Hello, it's Scotty. How can I help you? Okay, I'm back. I've chatted on the phone for a while. Looks like we've got a lot of small internal parts in here. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out of the box. Oil pan gasket, lifetime. Push rod tube rubbers. Timing cover grommet. Nut and washer for the oil breather cover. Okay. We always chuckle when we get little packages like that and everything's labeled and the cylinder heads are labeled left and right and things like that. It's funny. Alright. Valve covers. Everything's wrapped so nicely. Valve cover, air cleaner. I don't know what that is. Something heavy. Oh, it's magneto. Some more oil breather O-ring. See, that's funny. And this one's got a question mark on it. Bearing carrier. There's nothing in here. All right, so that's everything. Looks like we've got some more unpacking and cleaning to do near the parts washer. And then we will get an estimate ready for Brian and get his motor ready for assembly. Probably do some vapor blasting on the cases as well. Looking good. Thanks for watching.